When the ship is, the rainbow is caught by the ship.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then Willie got it caught. This is caught by itself. Really by itself, but it wouldn't by itself. Not really by itself, but it's like Willie done it by itself, but it really. I bet Skylar's gonna like this.
I know she's gonna like it. She's gonna love it.
You're going down there, Dada! Is this the special paintbrush?
That's a special one.
And the special and the ones that you are those the special paintbrushes?
Yeah, those are more special paintbrushes. Do you want to try a different one?
Yeah.
Yeah?